What's up people, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be having a different kind of video and it's gonna be a short one. That's right, today we'll be announcing the winners to Watchat's first giveaway. Also stay till the end of this video as I will be making an announcement too. Before we dive into that, let's remind ourselves what the prizes are. Now feast your eyes on these beauties, for I'm giving away 3 limited edition breitling Watchat signature marks to 3 lucky winners. Perfect for any watch enthusiast or anyone who appreciates merchandise. You can use them for your morning coffee, tea, or just have it as a stylish collectible on your shelf. Now, let's begin with the selection process. First, I'll list down the names of all that have participated in this giveaway. I will then randomly choose 3 names who will be our 3 lucky winners. It's that simple. So shall we begin? The first winner is StylyArt465. Apologies for the horrendous handwriting there. The second winner is Andre Zasik 9248. Yes, there is a slight typo over there, but this is the only Andre Zasik in the comments. And the third winner is Amelie6556. Congratulations to our 3 lucky winners. We will be in touch soon for the delivery details. As for the rest of you, don't be dismayed, as Watchat will be doing a second giveaway once we hit our second milestone, and that is 15,000 subscribers. Thanks to you all, we are moving closer each day to that target. So let's make that happen, and I guarantee there will be more prizes to be won. 4 to be precise. Now about that announcement, Watchat is pleased to announce the official collaboration with Girardier here in Malaysia as their authorized retailer. Watchat couldn't have done this without your help and support. For that, here's a big thank you to you all. Girardier is an independent brand that produces high-end exquisite timepieces. To find out more, do check out their website and some of my unbiased review videos which I've made prior to becoming their authorized retailer, of course. The links are all in the description below. Who knows, maybe one day we'll give away a watch. Seriously. Anyway, thanks for staying on until this far, and I hope you are all as excited as I am on both the CG collaboration and on the next giveaway. Do support my channel by hitting that like, subscribe and bell icon, and I promise to do better for you and for me. Until the next one, take care now, bye bye now.